Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2619th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Welcome, traders, welcome. Hey, what a call last night, huh? Oh my goodness, the crude going up too high, 77, knocking the market down. Well, it worked for trading on Wednesday, and now we are going to look at trading on Thursday. Remember that trading is risky of any nature, whether it's ETFs, stocks, crypto, you name it, options. It's risky commodities. Don't trade anything without putting your protective stops in first. All right, so for trading on Thursday, August 10th, 2023, we've got more downside expected. But let's talk about Wednesday, August 9th. This day right here, Wednesday, August 9th, on August 8th, for trading August 9th, I gave you a video and said, look, top is in the OMNI S&P. Crude gets above 77 on 725, and 2 days later, it proves to be too much weight for the S&P, and it starts to go down. And we expected a down day for Wednesday, and I told my OMNIACS we are going to get short. Wait for the flash update. So there's a lesson that we are going to go over together. It is a cardinal rule when it comes to trading Omni. It is a cardinal rule when it comes to plan a trade and trade your plan. And that cardinal rule is never hesitate when the market reaches your entry area. Never hesitate. Which I never do. I always send the flash on time. Boom, we get in. Whether it's right or wrong, I don't hesitate. And I preach it. And I tell my OMNIACS, it is a cardinal sin for you to hesitate because you'll miss the best trades. So here we are. This is my entry for the S&P for trading on Wednesday, where the red line is. Here is the trade on Wednesday. See this red bar? Let's get rid of this little dash. See the red bar? That's Wednesday's bar. We wanted to be short right here. Let me blow this up for you. Check out the lesson. We rallied all the way from down here, got all the way into the Omni zone, and I hesitated to send the flash because I was waiting for just another point or two to get in. And I hesitated for a brief moment. The flash didn't go out, and none of the OMNIACS enjoyed that down move today. Fantastic analysis, great video, perfect call. Hesitation from Oscar broke a cardinal rule, turned into a cardinal sin, and we missed our trades. So please remember, 42 years deep, I can't hesitate when the Omni says jump. All I can do is ask how high. Hesitating cost us a perfect trade on Wednesday. What I can promise you is that will not happen on Thursday. You know what I'm saying? Flash will go out like it always does, thousands of times before. It was a moment in time, and the lesson is even I cannot hesitate with my own trades. Do not hesitate when the flash updates come out. Second thing we're going to talk about for trading now on Thursday. I have an adage. I have proved it hundreds of times to my OMNIACS over the years. The adage is, reports get OMNIACS great fills. We've got big reports coming out tomorrow morning at 8:30 Eastern. Do not let that scare you. Put your orders in when the flash update comes out. Let the Omni and the markets do their thing. These reports are already baked into the market. So do not get scared ever in front of a report. Reports get OMNIACS great fills. Thursday's reports will get us some great fills, kids. At worst, our stop is in, right? It goes in first. What could happen? A bad day trade? Put your orders in tomorrow if you get a flash update. So, for trading on Thursday, yes, we are selling rallies. The Omni is red, and we will catch this next S&P trade as long as the market lets us in. Now let me show you one more chart. And that is the NASDAQ, which we looked at last night in last night's video. And I showed you that for the first time all year, it has decided to break out of or below the channel. That is below the channel, kids, undoubtedly. And Omni is still red for trading on Thursday, so we would sell rallies. I will tell you this. What you're witnessing, what's happening here, is a pullback. And this pullback will allow the fund managers who are on the wrong side or stuck in bonds and getting 5.5%, while the S&P has been rallying so much, or maybe they're even in a short position, these funds will have this opportunity to right their ship. So, for fund managers that are listening, use this dip to right your ship so that you can enjoy the rest of this year being on the proper side. It's the summer rally. It's the perfect time to right the wrongs. If you're on the wrong side, clean up your mess, right the ship. If we drop down into this, it'll be a perfect time for you. And September, we could take off October and have a fantastic last quarter. So I hope you're listening out there. If you've positioned yourselves incorrectly in the beginning of the year, if you didn't listen to me then, here's another moment where I can probably help you. If we end up coming down and giving you a chance to right some wrongs, get out of some bad trades and put on some good ones, this will be your chance during this dip we're seeing during summer. Now, one thing to keep in mind. The market is stingy and it doesn't dip for very long or for very far. I mean, think back 2008-9, the dip was a year and a half for the whole darn crash. The dip for COVID was 2 months. It's not going to give you cats a lot of time. If you are going to reposition to get on the right side of the markets, make sure you're paying attention. The time will not last very long. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to my videos. It's very easy. Just click the subscribe right below. Make sure that you are alerted when I'm putting out these videos. They come out just about every night. And then remember to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to keep those at bay is say this with me and say it to yourselves when I'm not around. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are. Say it with me now, kids. Rock and roll. Make sure you pay attention to that little adage, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.